Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we provide valuable insights for professionals looking to master PESTLE analysis, a powerful tool for understanding the business environment. If you're ready to dive into the world of PESTLE analysis, stay tuned as we break it down into a quick 2-minute script. PESTLE analysis, also known as PEST analysis, is a strategic framework used to analyze external factors influencing a business. It's like a business crystal ball, as it considers 6 key elements: political, economic, social, technological, legal, and environmental. These elements help businesses spot opportunities and threats in their industry. Why is PESTLE analysis crucial? Well, it's your secret weapon to stay ahead of the competition. Here's why. Identify opportunities. PESTLE analysis uncovers emerging trends, consumer behavior changes, and technological advancements that can lead to fantastic opportunities. Risk assessment. It helps you assess potential risks, from political instability to legal issues, allowing you to navigate your business wisely. Strategic planning. With PESTLE analysis, you can create robust strategies based on the external environment, leading to long-term success and growth. Now, let's get practical. How do you perform a PESTLE analysis? We break it down into 6 categories. Political factors. Analyze government regulations, political stability, and tax policies. Economic factors. Look at GDP growth, consumer purchasing power, and market trends. Social factors. Examine demographic shifts, cultural values, and consumer attitudes. Technological factors. Consider emerging technologies, digital transformation, and infrastructure. Legal factors. Investigate industry-specific regulations, intellectual property, and employment laws. Environmental factors. Assess climate change, environmental regulations, and consumer demand for eco-friendly products. When crafting a PESTLE analysis for your clients, remember these key tips. Unique value proposition. Highlight what sets your clients apart from the competition and emphasize the benefits they offer. Structured content. Make your content scannable with clear sections and subheadings. Data-driven insights. Support your analysis with authoritative data and relevant statistics. Comprehensive research. Dive deep into industry analysis. Conduct customer surveys. Share success stories, and keep an eye on industry trends. In a nutshell, mastering PESTLE analysis empowers you to provide valuable insights to your clients. It helps businesses make informed decisions, spot opportunities, and manage risks effectively. Combine robust research techniques with compelling content writing, and you'll outshine your competition. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Master PESTLE analysis and unlock your potential for business success. See you next time.